In today's episode, we'll be drawing Donald Duck. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hi everyone, Miss K here. So we're gonna start by drawing the head. And I will draw another oval shape just to indicate where the body is. Usually you can start off by drawing roughly. So then 2 lines across. And we're gonna start off with the beak. You can start from the center to the left and all the way to the right, a wavy line. Just like to say thank you for your request, Saada Musa, for asking us to draw Donald and Daisy Duck. Do send in your requests if you'd like us to draw anything. Okay, so continuing on with the beak area, wave line down to show the opening of the mouth. We always start off with drawing anything that's in the foreground so that it wouldn't be covered over by all the background detailing. So now the eyes and the eyebrows. And you can always adjust your lines accordingly over your rough sketches. Draw the hair in the middle of the head. And this Donald Duck has a hat, so you can draw a rectangular shape on top of the head. And then we continue on by drawing the hat. Looks a bit like a chef's hat. So wave lines, curved line on the right and left, and then we have a little ribbon at the side. Now for the shirt, have like a cape at the side, and then the shirt itself, the sleeve, and you can touch up on the mouth, the beak area. And you can always pause if you feel like the video is too fast and repeat the steps again. So same thing, indication for where the hand will be, and then the bottom part. Gonna draw the legs, curve shape, down, another curve shape, and the legs stretched out and move upwards. So his hand is actually touching his leg, so part of his leg will be covered by the hand. So you can always indicate where is the starting point of your detail, and you can indicate where the ending point is, and then you can join them both together so it would remain proportionate to the rest of your drawing. So let's just add a little bit more fine detailing of the fingers. You can always draw lightly and erase certain parts if you feel like it's not right. For the center of the eye, and of course the line on the sleeve. Alright, the line drawing is done. We're gonna do our coloring now. Gonna use blue Sharpie marker and color pencils for the rest of the body. Always remember, if you want to do shadings, you can start off by coloring all the lighter colors first and darker colors for all your shadows. You can outline with marker, and you can always use mixed media for your drawing. Alright, don't forget to sign your work. And thank you so much for watching. Do like, subscribe, comment, and also request for anything you'd like us to draw. Thank you so much for watching. See ya!